in one hand. Perfect in the car or chilling on the couch. Snackies go anywhere.
The National Weather Service in Berkeley has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Baker County and Kaland, Liberty County and Kaland, until 8:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Union, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect line damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Union, Harrisburg, Eastman, and Fayetteville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, and stay away from windows.